Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a canvas holder. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need 4 pieces of wood, 2 longer pieces, each about 24 inches in length, and 2 shorter pieces, each around 12 inches long. All pieces should be 1 inch thick for stability. Additionally, have your wood glue, a handful of small screws, and a reliable drill ready. Don't forget a measuring tape and a saw to ensure all your cuts are perfectly precise. This simple setup will create a sturdy and functional holder. Now let's get those wood pieces ready. Using your measuring tape, carefully mark the exact lengths on your wood. You'll cut 2 pieces to 24 inches and the other 2 to 12 inches. Precision here is key for a stable holder. Once cut, take a moment to sand down any rough edges. This not only makes the pieces safer to handle, but also ensures a much cleaner and more professional final product. A smooth finish always looks better. With your pieces cut and smoothed, it's time for assembly. Apply a generous amount of wood glue to the ends of your 12-inch pieces. Then, attach these shorter pieces between the longer 24-inch pieces, forming a sturdy rectangular frame. Use your drill to insert 2 small screws into each joint, reinforcing the glue bond. Double-check that all your corners are perfect 90-degree angles before the glue sets completely. This creates the strong base for your canvas. For the final touch, we'll add the canvas support. Take a small wooden dowel or a thin strip of wood, about 22 inches long, and attach it horizontally across the top of your frame, approximately 2 inches down from the top edge. This will be the ledge your canvas rests on. Secure it with glue and small nails or screws. Now, let the entire structure dry for at least 24 hours to ensure maximum strength. Your custom canvas holder is now ready to beautifully display your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.